Hello again everyone, Dave Grime from the Grime team here, and we've had quite the hot summer this year as well as a bit of a hot market. And I have a hot new listing to show you today as well. Here we are at 43 Russell Hill Road here in the peaceful hamlet of Waldemar. This place has lots of good features to go through, so let's not waste any time and get down to the top 5 reasons why this home is right for you.
Reason number 5.
So here we are in the quiet hamlet of Waldemar. It's a nice community that boasts the beautiful Grand River flowing through it for tubing, fishing, or swimming. We also have the Waldemar Park just down the road as well. Another great thing is that it's only a 10-minute drive to Orangeville for all amenities, and Grand Valley featuring shopping, the Grand River Chop House, and the Mill Creek Pub is right around the corner.
Reason number 4.
Now before we head inside the home, let's take a look at the nice landscaping. Here we have a nicely landscaped front entranceway which welcomes you to the home. We have a great covered front porch, perfect for morning coffee, and a new front door. Mature trees adorn the lot, which is over 1/3 of an acre. Now, I'd show you the backyard, but we're going to get to that a little later.
Reason number 3.
Now, the layout of this home is great for any family. Off the main entry, we have this large living room combined with a formal dining area. Off the dining area, we have the kitchen with stainless steel appliances, pantry, plenty of cupboard space, and eat-in area. But that's not all for the main floor. Also, off the kitchen, we have this nice large family room that walks out to the back deck. Upstairs, we have 3 good-sized bedrooms, a 4-piece bathroom, and downstairs, we have a rec room with above-grade windows for even more living space. Now, on to the next reason.
Reason number 2.
There are numerous other great features of this home. Now, this is an R2000 home with argon-filled windows and lots of insulation in the attic for low heating and cooling costs. We have newer lighting throughout the house, newer flooring, and the roof is only 2 years old. Also, this home is set up as a total smart home, which could be available to a buyer if wanted. Hey Google, violet light. This means from your phone, you can not only control the furnace and air conditioning, you can lock the doors, turn on and off most of the lights, and monitor the numerous video cameras throughout the home. Hey look, I'm on camera. On camera.
And reason number 1.
Now during these times, a lot of people are taking staycations, and does this have the backyard for that? The private deck boasts an outdoor kitchen and dining area. We also have a nice ornamental pond. Off the deck, you'll see how large the yard is. Plenty of space for children and pets to run around. Again, mature trees to ensure privacy. We have a fire pit area, kids play set, and at the very back, an above-ground pool, perfect for cooling off during these scorching days. All this is perfect for entertaining friends and family. Well, thanks for watching our video tour of this great home on an awesome lot. Be sure to check out more information at www.thegrimeteam.com and check out our interactive walkthrough. Till next time, Dave Grime signing off, and on this hot day, I'm going to go cool off in the pool. Till next time.